morning, everyone. So today we're going to cover a very important topic from class 9 geography, that is the natural vegetation of India. So in the first and second and the third chapter of geography of that class, we have covered the both the site and location of India. The second, we have to understand what are the different physical features, and the third is about the drainage. The fourth is about the climatic situations. All the situations have impact on different thing in our India, just like natural vegetations, it may be wildlife, it is also the population. So natural vegetation of India we are covering. So first begin with the first point, that is the what is a natural vegetation. So generally natural, see there's a one word natural. Natural means prakriti. Those type of trees which are grown naturally without any human intervention. Those type of trees are known as the natural vegetation. See, there are so many trees are like a power, but those trees not considered under the natural forest or the natural vegetation because the reason is those trees are somehow are controlled by ourselves. Okay, so understand what is the difference between the natural vegetation and the normal vegetation. So first come to the different act or policy, and this act and policy were made because of to protect this thing from the human activities, illegal human activities you can say. The first act, that is the Forest Protection Act. That act was forced in 1927. That time our India was under the rule of the British government. So after the independence, in 1952, the first time National Forest Policy was came, and then it's revised in the 1988. Now the third point you are saying the percentage of forest in India. So according to the National Forest Policy in 1952, India should have the 33% of total land area under the vegetation, natural vegetation. But currently, as per the 2021 data, 24.62% of total land is under the forest cover. Now come to the some basic data of the natural vegetation. So if considering the total percentage of the state, the first rank goes to Mizoram. That means Mizoram has the highest percentage of forest cover in the state. That is around the 98%. The second rank goes to Arunachal Pradesh, and third is the Nagaland. Now come to the total vegetation area. So we are not considering percentage, we are considering the vegetation only. Okay, total कितना area में vegetation है. The first is here the Madhya Pradesh and the second Arunachal Pradesh. So in the both the Arunachal Pradesh will be the second. Okay. Third, see I have written the factor affecting the natural vegetation. See if you recall the class 7-8 geography chapter in soil. So there are some basic factors of soil also, that we CLORPT, that is climate, organic material, parent rock, time, this thing. The same for the natural vegetation. So there are some factors which are affecting the natural vegetation. Those are first thing, that is the relief, that is the topography where the natural vegetation is growing. The second is the soil, what type of soil the vegetations are getting, and the third the temperature, and the fourth is the precipitation. Precipitation means normally the rainfall is considered. And according to these factors, different factors, we can divide our Indian vegetation in 5 main category. The first category you are seeing, that is the tropical evergreen forest. Tropical, see point number 1, 2 and 3. The 3 point, there's a specific word that's a tropical. Now the question may be arise in your mind, what is the meaning of tropical? So very basic, tropical means the area which is bounded between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This parallels area is considered as the tropical zone. So first you see the tropical evergreen forest. Evergreen means जहाँ पर 12 महीना पेड़ के पत्ते हरा भरा रहता है, इसको कहा जाता है ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट. Second, you are saying that a tropical deciduous forest. That means those type of trees which fade their leaf in a particular season of the time. Those forests are the tropical deciduous forest. The third, the tropical thorn forest. Tropical thorn forest means the vegetations which getting very less rainfall and the high temperature. You can see the desert type of forest. Those forests are known as the tropical thorn forest. The fourth, that is the montane forest, or you can say the mountain forest. That means in other mountain area, basically the Himalayan mountain area, this type of forest can be found. Last is the mangrove forest. On the area about the along the river mouth, you can observe the mangrove forest. Now see the areas. What are the states or regions you're covering under this type of forest? The first forest you are saying the tropical evergreen forest. That means that the dark green color areas, these are the tropical evergreen forest. That means the along the western coast, Coromandel coast, and the Bengal and the right region of Assam and the Bengal, Bihar, and the northeast area. So the northeast area mainly evergreen forests are found. And deciduous forest. And deciduous forest has the highest cover in India, land cover. Okay. And the third is the tropical thorn forest. See, you can see in the western side of our India, northwestern side, that means the Gujarat, Rajasthan, and the some part of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, or and in the rain shadow zone of South India, you can observe the tropical thorn forest. Next to the mountain forest, that means our mountain area, and city Ladakh हो गया, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, then Arunachal Pradesh. These are the states of the where mountain vegetations are growing or grown. Last is the mangrove forest. So mangrove forest, I already said the area nearby the river mouth. That means the mangrove forests are very important, very popular, or you can say are grown muchly in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta. That means this region. Then here is a Mahanadi river. Here you can also find the mangrove forest and the river mouth of the Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and here in Gujarat you can also observe the mangrove forest. Okay, so this is the basic summary of this chapter, and from the next chapter, from the next class, we'll discuss very broadly by taking one point. ठीक है, every point हम लोग अलग से डिस्कशन करके पढ़ेंगे. Okay, इस summary में अगर if you face any problem, so you can comment and ask me. Okay, bye.